Let's look at this question. A library contains books on 7 genres in English and Marathi languages: fiction, novel, biographies, autobiographies, dramatics, poetry, philosophy. The following graph gives the distribution of books in English and Marathi on 4 out of the 7 genres. There is at least one book in each language on each genre. Okay, let's work. I have fiction, then novels, then biographies, then autobiographies, then dramatics, then poetry, and then philosophy. And then I have books either in English or in Marathi. The data could be in percentage or absolute number, in percentage or absolute number. From the graph, I see there are 6,000 fiction books. So, and percentage of English books in that is 50. So 3,000 here, the remaining will be 50%, 3,000 in Marathi. For novels, there are 2,100 books. 80% of that is in English. So 80% of 2100 would be 1680. 20% would be here, 420. In biographies, total number of books are 1,800, and 70% of these, so 18 into 7, 1260 books are in English, 30 are in Marathi, so that will be 540. In autobiographies, total books are 3,500, and of these 80% are in English, so 2,800 in English, and 20% or 700 in Marathi. This much information is captured from the graph itself. Then the number of books in different genres are to be read on the left side axis, whereas the number of books in the English language as a percentage of total books in that genre is to be read on the right hand side axis. Okay, we have already incorporated that into our setting. Let's work further. In addition to this, the following facts are: the total number of books in Marathi is greater than the total number of books on fiction. So Marathi has to be greater than 6,000. This much we know. Okay. The number of Marathi books on philosophy is 10 times the number of Marathi books on poetry. So if philosophy is 10x, Marathi books in philosophy is 10x, this will be x. Okay. The total number of books on autobiographies is half the total number of books on biographies, poetry, and philosophy taken together. Autobiography is 3,500. So biography, poetry, and philosophy should add up to 7,000. Given biographies itself is 1,800. These two should add up to give me 5,200. Okay. Next point is the total number of books on dramatics is greater than the total number of books on any other genre but fiction. So for dramatics, I know it has to be less than 6,000. It has to be less than fiction, but greater than what? I don't know. Greater than 3,500 certainly, but between poetry and philosophy, maybe something turns out to be greater than 3,500. You'll see then. Okay. For both biographies and philosophy, the ratio of number of books in English to the total number of books is the same. So if biography and philosophy have the same percentage in English books, philosophy has 70 here and Marathi has 30 here. We don't know the precise numbers because we don't know the precise number of books in philosophy right now. Okay. Only 10% of the books on poetry are in Marathi. 10% of poetry books are in Marathi. So 90% of poetry books are in English. Now see, 10% of poetry is 1/10 of 30% of philosophy. So I can make an equation out of it. 10 times of 10% of, let me say poetry is A and philosophy is B. 10 times of 10% of A is equal to 30% of B. So cancel, I get 3, or A by B is equal to 3 by 10. If A by B is equal to 3 by 10 and the sum is 5,200, this is 1,200 and this is 4,000. This 5,200 summation is no longer needed, and with 1,200 this will be 1080, this will be 120, 70%, this will be 2,800, This will be 1200. This ratio of 1 is to 10 is also getting maintained. So wonderful. Last is at least 50% of books in any genre are in English. So in dramatics, that is the only place where we don't know the precise percentage of books in English and Marathi. English will be at least 50%. Okay, great. Now for dramatics, the lower limit was unknown. Now we know the lower limit is 4,000. Dramatics is greater than 4,000 but less than 6,000. This much we know. Okay, let's go to individual questions. Which of the following is the total number of books on philosophy? Philosophy total number of books are 4,000. We don't have that in the option, so answer will be option D, none of these. The number of Marathi books on dramatics is certainly not greater than. Okay, they're looking for maximum number of books in Marathi that you can have, the upper limit. Now see, if dramatics has 6,000 books, the upper limit of dramatics itself, if dramatics has 6,000 books and at least 50% of the books in any genre are in English, maximum Marathi books would be 50% of 6,000, which is 3,000. The upper limit for Marathi books in dramatics will be 3,000. So the number of Marathi books on dramatics is certainly not greater than option B, 3,000. This is also known. Next statement, the number of English books on autobiographies is same as the number of English books on philosophy. Autobiography English books is 2,800, philosophy English books is 2,800. So yes, this statement is true. Second statement, the number of Marathi books on dramatics is greater than 20. Okay, let me see. We had this condition also, Marathi had to be greater than 6,000. So 3,000 plus 420, 3240, 540. These two added together 960, 3960, 400, 4660 plus 120, 4780, 4780 plus 1200, 5980. Right now I am getting a total of 5980. So the number of Marathi books in dramatics have to be greater than 20 because the total had to be greater than 6,000. So when the second statement is summation of Marathi books that we are getting from these six values currently is 5980. Because total number of Marathi books have to be greater than 6,000, the number that you get here will be greater than 20. So the answer to this question would be this second statement, the number of Marathi books on dramatics is greater than 20. This is also true. Both these statements are true. So answer for the third question in the set will be option C. Last question. Let X is to Y be the ratio of number of books on dramatics to the total number of books in the library. Then which of the following is certainly true? Okay. Number of books in dramatics and lie between the range 4,000 to 6,000. So let me work with, if I had 4,000, what would be the ratio? Let me, sorry, not 4,000 here. I should add up 4,000 here. Total number of books, either 4,000 or 6,000. Both of these are possible. So if it was 4,000, what would I get? 6,000 plus 2,100 is 8,100. 8,100 plus 89, 9,900. 9,900 plus 3,500 is 1 lakh. 10,000. Sorry, 13,400. 13,400 plus 12 is 14,600. 14,600 plus 4,000 is 18,600. 18,600 plus 4,000 is 22,600. So the smallest ratio is 4,000 by 22,600, and the largest ratio would be nothing but 6,000 by 24,600. Okay, I have to approximate the value here. This I know to be less than 1/4. This I know to be less than 1/4. Okay. Which of the following is certainly true? Certainly true. 6,000 by 24,600. Let me see my addition is correct. 6,000, 2,100, 8,100, 8,100 plus 1,800, 9,900, 9,900 plus 34, 13,400 plus 1,200, 14,600, 18,600 plus 4,000, 22,600. This is when the lower limit 4,000 is taken and the upper limit is taken 6,000. Okay. So the approximate value here would be 10 by 41. So this is less than 1/4. I can get it. This is less than 1/4. X by y is less than 1/4. Less than 1 by 4. And here, what do I get? Cancel 40 divided by 226. Why? 20 divided by 113. Let me do this. 20 divided by 113. So 0, 1, 113, 87. I can get 6, 16, 78, 90. Again 6. So 0.66. Again 1 by 6 I am getting here. So it will lie in the range 1 by 4 to 1 by 6. It will be lower than 1 by 4 and greater than 1 by 6. Okay, so x by y is less than 1 by 5, not necessary. X by y is greater than 1 by 4, no. Sorry, x by y is less than 1 by 4, yes, this is valid. X by y is greater than 1 by 4, no, this is not valid. And x by y will definitely lie in the range 1 by 5, 1 by 5 to 1 by 6, no, not necessary. So among the available options, the correct one will be option C. 1 x by y is less than 1 by 4.